This video is a demonstration of our recent work that shows real-time rendezvous with sperm whales using in situ sensing. Our system is composed of three parts. First, we deploy sensors such as a hydrophone array to gather bearing estimates of whale vocalizations. Next, our reinforcement learning-based algorithm localizes and predicts whale surfacing events using the bearing estimates and determines launch actions for a drone. It also provides commands to autonomously navigate the drone to the whale belief location.